figured I'd start filming the snow. $20, Amazon. Check that out. Okay, so I got the plastics off, the seat off. I pulled off the old seat cover, and I'm just going to be using one of these to staple. Alright, so I'm just measuring this stuff up. Show you the 100 billion staples I used. Oh, first of all, I did this cool folding trick. Check this out. So I just have it posted up on there. Now I gotta tighten all the bolts, put the seat bolts in there and stuff, put that other fairing. But for the hell of it, just gonna turn this on. Still gotta do big bore kit, head cylinder, all that stuff. The last thing I'm gonna do is the digital cluster. It's gonna be the cherry on top. Alright. Go. What the hell? Oh. Cool.